yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. Today we're going to do a brown sugar cinnamon butter cookie. Following the ingredients, we're going to use 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/2 cup of butter, a 3/4 cup brown sugar keto sweetener, which we use the Splenda brown sugar mix, large egg, some vanilla extract, some ground cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the butter and the brown sugar together, and we're going to kind of whip that, mix it together. Then we're going to add in the vanilla and the egg and mix them in. So let's get started with that. Okay, now we're going to add the egg and vanilla in. It's 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we're going to mix the dry ingredients. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. up. All mixed in. And now we're just going to mix the wet and the dry ingredients. Okay, our oven is preheated to 350. I'm just going to put these onto a baking sheet. We're going to use a tablespoon, and we're going to bake them for about 15 minutes. Okay, in the oven for 15 minutes. Yeah, it's the first batch. The other batch has only got about 6 more cookies. Once they cool down, we will give them a try. Alright, they've cooled down enough. Give it a try. Wasn't sure how much I was going to taste the cinnamon, because when I was doing the batter, I couldn't really taste that much, but you can taste it. I think I would probably add maybe a little bit more of it. It's nice and fluffy in the middle, although we'll see how much that stays like that when they cool down. But thanks for joining me again. I hope you enjoy the video, and another recipe, especially for us that shouldn't eat a lot of carbs and sugars, as you're diabetic, kind of like I am. Hopefully you enjoy the recipe, and have a good day.
Yesterday